Mother's Day to each and every mothers out there. So,
wait, Mama, let me introduce ourselves.
okay.
This is our 31st video. I'm Twara Gala and she is my mother, Priyal Gala.
Hello friends. So, on this Mother's Day, today we are planning to make...
Yummy donuts!
Yes. So, let's see the ingredients. So, for donuts, we will be needing 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of maida, half cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of powder sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of butter. For garnishing, we will be needing dark and white chocolate and some sprinklers. So let's start it. So I am taking 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of maida. So I have already measured it, which I am taking now. Twara, please see this.
Alright.
1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of sugar. So now I will not add the complete portion of milk. I will just keep little bit of milk left. If required, then only I will add. So I'm just keeping this aside. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, just a pinch of salt. Now I will mix this, make a dough, and if required, I will add the milk. Since this is little dry, so I am adding this leftover milk and again kneading it. So initially this dough may feels little sticky, but that's okay. You need to knead this dough for at least 8 to 10 minutes. So keep on kneading the dough until it becomes very smooth. So after kneading for 8 minutes, the dough has become soft and smooth. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter and I will again knead it for approx 2 minutes. Instead of salted butter, if you wish, you can also add the ghee. So that's your choice. I have added salted butter. So my kneading is done. I am just keeping this dough. Now I need to keep this dough for resting for 1 hour. So I am just covering this with a cloth so the air does not pass onto it. And now I will keep this dough aside for 1 hour. Okay, so now it's almost 1 hour and we'll open the door. It is very soft, it has turned. So I will just knead it for 5-10 seconds again. Don't knead it too hard, just a soft hand is enough. And I'm just taking half portion of this. I will just close this and I will knead this on platform for the better grip. And I will roll it very softly. I will roll it little thick. And so this is the thickness that I am keeping for the roti. Now I am going to cut the donuts. So I have taken this cutter. You can take the dhakkan or ulta vatki, whatever that you have available. I will keep this extra dough back and again reuse it. Now the center, I have this nozzle, so I am using that.
These donuts really look like the donuts that we eat outside.
So now I will deep fry these donuts. They're so soft. So the oil is hot. It's not too hot, but it should be like a frying thing, so we can fry it. I'm just adding on the donuts. So once the donuts are added, you can see these donuts are getting fluffy. If you see, these donuts are completely looking fluffy. So they have grown the double of the size. See. And you should fry this on a medium or low flame. Don't fry this on high flame, otherwise the color outside will turn brown but the inside it will remain kacha. So make sure that you fry it on the low flame. So these are golden brown. Now I will remove them. The color depends on you. If you want more darker shades, you can fry it for more 10-20 seconds. I want this kind of donuts. The aroma of these donuts are amazing. So size of the donuts always depend on you, how you want. I have made little thinner because I like that way. If you want the bigger and thicker, you can take the cutters accordingly. So now I am going to dip. I have this melted dark chocolate. Now I am going to half dip this donuts.
Yummy syrup. Can I sprinkle?
No, Twara, just 2 minutes.
Alright.
Twara, now you can sprinkle it. So the designing of the donuts depends on you. You can sprinkle the chocolates. If you don't have the chocolate at home, you can just sprinkle the powder sugar on the hot donut. Even that tastes yum. So it's not compulsory to have the chocolate, but yeah, traditionally the donuts are like this. So now I have this white chocolate which I have refilled in the cone. It is melted white chocolate. So I am showing one more design on donuts. I am just cutting it very thin. And now I am just rolling it over donut.
It looks very yummy. So, our Mother's Day special yummy donuts are ready.
Guys, this recipe is eggless and yeast free. So it's very easy. Do try this recipe at home. Trust me, it tastes yummy. All the family members are going to love this. Celebrate the Mother's Day. Enjoy. Stay home.
Stay safe.
Stay happy.
Bye.